Lordy mercy, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to the Loader Trails YouTube channel. Today, guys, got a little riding video for you on the new Polaris. I'm gonna go ahead and just park it right here for a second. So this video, I'm gonna be answering that question, that age-old question: should I replace my stock tires, or should I keep my stock tires? Are they good enough for mudding? Are they good enough for trail riding? Are they, you know, whatever? So right here, these are the original tires. They are Carlisle AT489. Not very familiar with them. It just rained and the mud hole over there is looking absolutely disgusting. So I thought it'd be a perfect time to test out these tires and decide whether I need to upgrade for some more aggressive tires, or see if these stock tires can keep me going for now. Got her in high gear, and yes, I know my dash is saying that it's hot, but I'm pretty sure this thing needs the little gauge or sensor, whatever it is, replaced, because it does that whenever you crank it up. But first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go through this high gear, and look at that. I've been through this plenty of times, but yeah, actually let's back up. We'll hit it with some speed. We're gonna go high gear and we're gonna send it through here, two-wheel drive, high gear. Let's go. Back tires are completely caked up, just like that. And as you can see there, my back tires are completely slicked over, so that's probably not too good if I want to get out of this mud hole. So let's put her in four-wheel drive, see if we can pull out of this. I might put it in low gear, crawl out. Look at the front tires. Front tires, I'm already stuck. Oh, there we go. So my rear tires have pretty much no grip. There's been a big dog come somewhere down through here, and that's recent. Holy crap. Go back in two-wheel drive. Well, that didn't go too well. I figured I'd just skim right over that. And let's see if we can get through right on the middle. We should be able to get through this part, no problem. Are you serious? We're seriously stuck. The other way? Yeah, no, we're not doing nothing. Well, absolutely, positively doing absolutely nothing. We're in four-wheel drive. Get on up out of here. Low gear diagonally. Couldn't really climb up out of there completely, but she went right through in four-wheel drive. No problem. We're gonna put her in four-wheel drive. Oh yeah. Do it in four-wheel drive, but two-wheel drive is not the move. Let's try crossing, just going across like this, see what happens. Oh, come on. I cannot believe we're actually stuck. Well, again, back tires are caked up with mud, so we're going to have to put her in four. Are you serious? I refuse to believe that I'm actually stuck. Yeah, I know I can hear people in the comments right now, get off of it and push it, pull it, blah blah blah, but I just want to kind of show you what it's I guess what you could kind of experience if you were a casual rider and just, you know, needed it for around the house or whatever, and, you know, wasn't flooring it into every single mud hole. Let's get her out, because I know it'll pull out of this somehow or other. Going up out of there. Alright, so now we'll go across, let's go across around here, because there's like a bag or something, so maybe that was the reason why. Oh, we got stuck even quicker. Come on, come on. There we go. Yes, sir. Let's come from the other angle, and we'll like full send it through here in 2-wheel drive, and we'll see what happens. Whew. I got mud caked up all the tires. Here we go. Full send 2-wheel drive. Woo. Rooster tail for days. So there you go, for all the people who saying, oh, you can't just creep through the mud, you have to actually give it throttle. So as you guys seen, I got stuck in 2-wheel drive in there, but you floor it through there, you get a lot of momentum going, then yeah, you're way more likely to get through there. But if you're a casual rider who doesn't exactly do that kind of riding, then you're probably gonna get stuck in there. Come on. Well, we got through there in 2-wheel drive. All right, so we have not went through it back or reverse. Personally, I do not think it's even going to make it through in reverse. I think it's going to get stuck about halfway, and I'd put it in 4-wheel drive, and then there's a pretty good chance I'll get stuck even in 4-wheel drive going backwards, but we'll see. So far, I don't know about you guys, but I think I need new tires. Here we go, reverse. She's in 2-wheel drive. Actually, it's in park. I lied. Never mind. It's haha. I shifted it into park. I didn't say reverse. I meant park. Oops. What? Are you serious? 2-wheel drive. It's in 2-wheel drive and it just went through it like nothing. Here we go. Reverse. 2-wheel drive. Getting off track. Okay, so maybe it's just coming this way, like maybe this is like downhill more or something. Funny thing about this little Polaris, to put it in 4-wheel drive in reverse, you have to put it in 4-wheel drive, then hold this little button, the reverse override. Now she's in 4-wheel drive. You have to hold the button the whole time for it to be in 4-wheel though. Then let off and she's in 2-wheel. Drive's gonna let me ride, by God. Overall, I'd give the tires about a 3.5 out of 5. They got great trail manners, like they're actually riding like a dream, but they're 4-ply, so they're gonna puncture easier than most of your mud tires, or really most tires out there in general. But if you're going to keep going and, you know, like try to do a lot of mud riding, or just mostly mudding, or just whatever, I would think that there's way better tire options out there if you guys are wanting to do stuff like that. They're great little tires, but honestly, I don't see why you would buy a set of these once your old ones wear out. But if you guys are going to go through a whole lot of mud and stuff, I would really recommend changing out tires. But I must say, it is pretty fun to go screw around on stock tires. Alright guys, so I'm pretty sure my camera's down, so I'm gonna go ahead and end off the video. Thank you guys very, very much for watching. Like I said, I told you guys my final thoughts on these tires here. Let me know down below what you guys think about these tires. Do you guys, any of you guys out there run this tire? And give me some good tire suggestions, because I'm actually looking to upgrade the tires on this thing very, very soon once the clutch gets fixed and everything on the Polaris. I've got all the parts in, I just need to find the time to actually fix it. But yeah, so drop a thumbs up if you guys like the video and you want to see more mudding content. The channel recently hit 100,000 total views, which is just amazing. That completely blows my mind. And we are getting closer and closer and closer to 1K subscribers. So if you guys like the content, want to see more like this, drop a thumbs up below. Also consider subscribing if you guys like the content. Anyways guys, I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.